Ladies and gentlemen, today's race is all about speed as AWS, Google, Huawei, and Azure compete in a thrilling showdown to see who can recover a host with 40 gigabyte disk the fastest using HyperBDR. The stage is set and the race is about to begin. The competition kicks off with the click of drill as cloud platforms spring into action. HyperBDR automatically calls their APIs and all clouds are neck and neck in these early moments. We're entering a critical phase now, creating volumes. Huawei and AWS are locked in an intense battle, with neither one giving an inch. Their volume creation speeds are nearly identical. As we move into the driver adaptation phase, the tension is palpable. Huawei gains a slight advantage, their driver repair process running like clockwork, with AWS only a hair behind. We're now in the final and most decisive phase where the gaps will really widen as they transform the repaired volumes into the final cloud hosts. Sure enough, Huawei and AWS begin to pull away from the pack. Huawei surges ahead, with AWS staying close. Google follows not far behind, maintaining a respectable effort. Meanwhile, Azure showing signs of lag as the race progresses. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our champion! Huawei claims victory with an impressive time of 5 minutes flat, edging out AWS, who finishes just behind at 5 minutes and 2 seconds, narrowly missing the gold. Google crosses the line at 5 minutes and 18 seconds, slightly behind the leaders. Azure, however, falls well behind, crossing the line at 7 minutes and 9 seconds, with a significant gap between them and the rest. Thank you to all our competitors for their remarkable performances. To Huawei and AWS, so closely matched, and to Google and Azure for their valiant efforts. This has been a race based on cloud host recovery speed, powered by HyperBDR, a cloud-native business-level disaster recovery tool offering highly cost-efficient, streamlined, and minute-level protection for enterprises through cloud platforms. In the future, we'll expand to other scenarios. Stay tuned as we continue to push the boundaries of disaster recovery.